Good morning everyone. So today we are going to discuss the left out from exercise 7.2, and we will see some case based question from the chapter. As you know, the blueprint sent is telling you that case based question will be from coordinate geometry chapter in your August monthly test. So just look at the question from 6 to 10 from exercise 7.2, what question number 6 is saying. Uh, just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Okay. So this is our question number 6. So what question number 6 is saying, if you are not having doubt in question number 6, then just pay attention on board. Maybe it will be for your revision, and if you are having doubt in that, then you have to learn it. Okay, so look, question number 6 is saying, if 1.2 4 comma y and x comma 6 and 3 comma 5 are vertices of parallelogram taken in order. So they are saying these are the vertices of parallelogram. In class 9th, we have studied what is parallelogram and how it looks. Okay, so just see, let's say I am drawing one parallelogram in front of you. Imagine that this is point A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. In point A, B, C, and D, the line AB is parallel to CD, AD is parallel to BC. That is property of parallelogram. So what I am saying, they are saying 4 points are there and they are taken in order. So if I am saying this is point A, so what is vertex of point A? The first one, which is 1 comma 2. I am taking it as one vertex for point A. Now for point B, the second point I will take, it is 4 comma y. I am writing here, it is 4 comma y. For third, x comma 6. Point C, they are saying it is taken in order. So I will take A, B, then C, then D. So point C, it will be x comma 6. And point D, it is 3 comma 5. So these are the 4 points of parallelogram and I have taken them in order. Listen, from coordinate geometry, if question is from parallelogram, this parallelogram type problem is there. I do think example 10, I hope a problem is there in your book which is of same type. So in parallelogram type of problem, what you have to do, you will draw both the diagonals. Let's say this is diagonal BD and this is diagonal AC. Last year we have studied there is a property of parallelogram that diagonals of parallelogram always bisect each other, meaning this part OB will be equal to OD, AO will be equal to OC, meaning point O is midpoint of AC and point O is midpoint of DB. So I am writing here O is midpoint of AC and DB. So O is midpoint of AC and O is midpoint of DB. So if O is midpoint, so first we will find coordinate of O by the formula. Okay, the coordinate of O, I am writing O only, but I am directly writing the formula. So let us do one thing, let us write it properly. I am writing by midpoint formula. Midpoint formula is, what is midpoint formula? X comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. The first part of exercise 7.2, I have already explained how this formula is derived, and when on Monday I was teaching in your class, I do think I was on Wednesday or Thursday, when I was teaching on in your classroom, then I have already explained how this formula was made, and one problem from this formula I have already explained. So what I am going to do, I am going to find point O taking A and C as x1 y1 or x2 y2, meaning I am taking x1 comma y1 as 1 comma 2 and x2 comma y2 as x comma 6. Just look. So 1 comma 2 and x comma 6, midpoint of a and c I am going to find. Okay, so I am applying formula here. Just x comma y is equal to, directly just tell me what is value of x1. If you will look, before comma x1 is there, it is equal to 1. So I will put 1, then plus, what is value of x2? As you can see, it is x upon 2 comma y1 plus y2. The value of y1, just you can see it is 2, plus the value of y2 is 6 upon 2. When I will solve it, I will get x comma y is equal to 1 plus x by 2 comma 6 plus 2 will be 8 divided by 2 will be 4. So I am having the value of x comma y is 1 as 1 plus x by 2 comma 4. Now what I am going to do, I am going to treat x1 y1 now 3 comma 5, and I am going to treat x2 y2 4 comma y, meaning point D and point B. Now I am taking this point as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2. By the same formula, I am not having that much space, so I am not writing formula again. The same formula I am going to write, same formula I am going to apply. x1 plus x2 by 2, just look, the value of x1 is 3 plus the value of x2 is 4 upon 2 comma the value of y1 is 5 and y2 is y upon 2. Okay, now I am having x comma y is equal to 3 plus 4 will be 7 by 2 comma it is 5 plus y upon 2. Now just look here, I am drawing a window here so that I can write something. Okay, now just look, I am having x comma y as 1 plus x by 2 comma 4 and x comma y is equal to 7 by 2 comma 5 plus y by 2. Now I am going to compare these two vertex, these 2 points. What is before comma? It is x. The value of x, you can see it is 1 plus x by 2 from here. So I am writing 1 plus x by 2. 1 plus x by 2, which will be equal to, what is x comma y? The before comma you can see it is x, which will be 7 by 2. From 2 is cancelled. Now I am having 1 plus x is equal to 7. This plus 1 will go there. The value of x, what I will get, it will be equal to 7 minus 1, 6. One more time, the value of y after comma you can see it is 4 and after comma you can see it is 5 plus y upon 2. Now just we have to solve. This 2 is in division, it will go here in multiplication. 4 into 2 will be 8, which is equal to 5 plus y. That 5 is in plus, it will come here in minus. You know what is transposition? 8 minus 5 will be 3. So the value of y I am having 3. Now if someone is asking what is value of x and y, it is 6 and 3. So now you have got answers for question number 6. Now let us see question number 7. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, so now I am having question number 7. What question number 7 is saying? Find the coordinate of point A, where AB is the diameter of circle whose center is 2 comma minus 3 and B is 1 comma 4. So let us see what type of question is it and how to solve it. Just look, just try to understand. There is circle and this is having a diameter. The name of diameter is AB. They are saying whose center is 2 comma minus 3, meaning the coordinate for center we are knowing it is 2 comma minus 3 and coordinate for point B is 1 comma 4. Now we are having coordinate for center, let's say it is O, and point B's coordinate we are having. We don't know what is coordinate of point A, so I am assuming this is x1 comma y1. Now just look, this is center, point A and B we are having. Do you know that radius is half of diameter, and just by you can see this center will be on midpoint of the ends of diameter, meaning the center is midpoint of point A and point B. So what I am going to do, I am treating this point as x1 y1. We have already let that value of x1 y1 we have to find, and I am saying now x2 y2 is 1 comma 4. So I am not writing it on the writing it now. I am directly going to apply the formula, and you will tell what is value of x1 y1 x2 y2. I will treat this as x2 comma y2. Okay, so I am going to apply x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. Okay, so this is midpoint because midpoint of point A and B will be the center. So this is midpoint. So in place of x comma y, I am going to write 2 comma minus 3. Now what is x1? It is x1 plus x2 before comma. It is 1 upon 2 comma. What is y1? It is y1 plus y2. What is after comma? It is 4. So I am going to put 4 here upon 2. Okay. Now let us compare both the sides. Before comma it is 2, and before comma it is x1 plus 1 by 2. This 2 is in division. It will go here in multiplication. So 2 into 2 will be 4. x1 plus 1. That 1 will go there in minus. 4 minus 1 will be 3. So the value of x1 is 3. Similarly, after comma you can see minus 3 is there, and after comma we are having y1 plus 4 by 2. This 2 is in division. It will go here. So 3 into 2 will be 6. Minus sign is there. So I am writing minus 6. y1 plus 4. Now just be careful. This 4 which is in plus, it will go left hand side in minus. So I will have minus 6 minus 4, which is value of y1. It will be minus 10. So now we are having value of x1 and y1 both. The value of x1 we have got 3. The value of y1 we have got minus 10. So coordinate for point A will be 3 comma minus 10. I hope you all have understood the problem. If you want to note it down, please pause the video, then note it down. I am moving on next problem. Okay, now we are having question number 8. Look what question number 8 is saying. Just read with me. If A and B are minus 2 comma minus 2 and 2 comma minus 4 respectively, then find the coordinate of P such that AP is 3 by 7 AB and P lies on line segment AB. Now just for understanding the question properly, let us draw a rough figure for it. Just look. Let's say this is point A and this is point B. The coordinate for point A, they have said it is minus 2 comma minus 2, and coordinate for point B, it is 2 comma minus 4. Okay, then find the coordinate of P. So between A and B there is a point P. So coordinate of point P we have to find. But they are saying AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB. So look, the AP is 3 by 7 AB. Okay, and P lies on line segment AB. So what we can find from here, that is ratio of AP and AB, which is 3 by 7. But look on the board beta, if we have to apply the section formula what we have learned. So for section formula what I need, it is ratio between AP and PB, but they are giving the ratio of AP and AB. The M and N what is required in formula is basically ratio between this part and ratio of this part to this part. But we are having AP upon AB. AB is full line. Okay, so now somehow we have to find ratio of ratio of AP and PB. Then only we can say this is M, this is N, we can do. Okay, so for it, just look here what we are doing. AP upon this AB from A to B. Look, it can be written as AP plus PB. So this AB, I have written it as AP plus PB, which was equal to 3 by 7. Now do cross multiplication. 7 into AP will be 7 AP and 3 will be multiplied in AP plus PB. So 7 AP, it will be 3 AP plus 3 PB. So this 3 AP will come here in minus. So I am writing 7 AP minus 3 AP will be equal to 3 PB. 7 minus 3 will be 4. So I am having 4 AP is equal to 3 PB. Now just look, AP upon PB. This PB I have sent in denominator. I am having 3 here. 4 is in multiplication. It will go in division. Now the ratio AP upon PB, I am having 3 is to 4. So I can say the value of M is 3 and the value of N is 4. Okay. Now we have to find the coordinate for point P by formula, the section formula what we have learned. X comma y is equal to, just say formula with me, M into x2 plus N into x1 upon M plus N, comma M into y2 plus N into y1 upon M plus N. This is the desired formula. Now I do think we have applied this formula so many times, you can easily solve it. Just do discussion with your friend and try to solve it. The thing what was required value of M and N that we have already found. You will treat this point as x1 y1 and this point as x2 y2. Then you will put the values and you have to find the answer. Okay, so I am not solving it completely, the rest part you have to do. I hope that everyone will do. So if you want to note it down, just note it down. Now I am moving on the next problem. Okay, so now look at question number 9. Find the coordinate of points which divide the line segment minus 2, 2 and 2, 8 into 4 equal parts. Now question number 9. Look, there is a point A and there is one more point, point B. Okay, now we have to find what? Find the coordinate of points, not a single point. Just look, they are saying points, multiple points, which divide the line segment joining minus 2, 2. So the coordinate for point A is minus 2, 2 and coordinate for point B is 2, 8. Okay, it is divided in 4 equal parts. So let's say 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have got 3 points between them. Now you can see they are divided in 4 equal parts. So we have to find 3 points here. Okay, 1 point I am going to find and rest 2 you will try by yourself. I hope everyone will try. So look, I am saying this point is C, this is D and this is E. Okay, so just keep one thing in your mind. First I am going to find coordinate for point C. What thing is required for it? First I require value of x1 y1. So let's say I am treating minus 2, 2 as x1 y1. Then I need x2, y2. Okay, so 2, 8. I am treating this as x2, y2. Then I need the value of m and n. For it, what will I do? Actually, if I am finding point C, so I need ratio of AC and CB. AC and CB. So let us do one thing. Let us do a small practice here. I am saying this distance is X. This will be also X. This will be X. And this will be X. Okay. This point I will treat capital X comma capital Y in my formula, because X I have already taken. Okay. So now if I need AC upon CB, why I am taking all the distances X? Because they are saying into 4 equal parts. Let the length of one part is X. So all part are having same length. It means all will be X. What is value of AC? It is X. What is value of CB? It is X plus X plus X. 3 times X is coming. It will be 3X. X and X is cancelled. So AC upon CB, I will have 1 by 3. So the desired ratio I am having, which is 1:3. Now you know the value of M is 1, the value of N is 3. Okay. Let us apply the formula. X comma Y is equal to, just say formula with me, mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Okay. Now what is value of m? You can see it is 1 into value of x2. You can see before comma 2 is there, so x2 will be 2. So 1 into 2 plus n. Value of n after comma, you can see it is 3 multiplied by x1. Just look, before comma x1 and the value of x1 is -2. This negative number will be in bracket. M is 1, n is 3, comma value of m, you can see it will be 1, value of y2 is 8, so 1 into 8 plus value of n is 3, the value of y1 is 2 upon m is 1, n is 3. Okay, 2 into 1, 2, 3 into -2, it will be -6, 3 plus 1, 4, 1 into 8 will be 8, 3 into 2 is 6 upon 3 plus 1, 4. 2 minus 6 is -4 divided by 4. 8 plus 6, it will be 14 divided by 4. From 4, this 4 will be cancelled. You can cancel by 2. 2 sevens are 14, or you can cancel by 2 in decimal. It will be 3.5. It is quite simple to do division in decimal, no problem in it. So -1 comma 3.5. This will be the value of x comma y, and it is coordinate for point C. Now you will find coordinate for point D. The value of x1 y1, the value of x2 y2 will remain same. Only the thing change is ratio between ratio of division. Meaning for point D, just look at the board. I need ratio of AD and DB. Look, what is AD from point A to D? It will be x plus x, 2x. For DB, it will be 2x. Cancel karo, 1 by 1 आएगा. So now the ratio m is to n, you will take 1:1. You will put the value and you will get your desired answer. For point E, now you have to think what you have to do. Actually the ratio AE upon EB is needed, that you all will try, and I hope you can try. If you are having problem in this, you are not able to solve it, then there is no problem. You just simply message me, sir, I am not able to solve the problem. I will explain it. Okay. So let us move in next problem. Let us move to next problem. Okay, question number 10. Now look what question number 10 is saying. Find the area of rhombus if its vertices are given. Now they have given hint as well that area of rhombus is 1/2 product of diagonal. So in class 9 we have studied what is formula for area of rhombus. Just look what they are saying. So there is a rhombus. I hope you all know what is rhombus. A quadrilateral with each side equal. The property of rhombus is that it is having all side equal, AB, AB, AD, BC and CD. All sides are equal. So first vertex is 3, 0. So let us say it is 3, 0. Point B, it is 4, 5. Point C, it is -1, 4. And point D, it is -2, -1. For area, what formula we have to apply? Area of rhombus is 1/2 product of diagonals. Meaning we have to find diagonals. First we have to find AC. Look, there is no need to apply section formula in finding AC. We have to find distance between A and C. And for it we are going to apply distance formula. Distance formula is already taught. It is x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So this is our distance formula. Okay, so but we need x1 comma y1. So I am treating point A, which is 3, 0 as x1 y1. Then x2 comma y2, I am treating this -1, 4. Okay, so let us apply the values. The value of x1, you can see it is 3. The value of x2, you can see it is -4. So this minus will become plus. The value of y1, it is 0. The value of y2, it is 4. Now let us apply. 4 plus 3 is 7. 0 minus 4 is -4 square. 7 square is 49. Minus 4 square is 16. Okay, let us write the values here. So AB will be root of 49 plus 16. 9 plus 6 is 15. 5 carries 1. 4 plus 1, 5. And 1 carry, it will be 6. So I am having AB is equal to 65 units. Similarly, I am going to find DC by the same formula. The formula will be x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Okay. Now what thing I am going to consider? I am considering x1 comma y1. Now I will take D and C as x1 y1 and x2 y2. So the value of x1 y1 is going to be -2 comma -1, and the value of x2 comma y2 is equal to 4 comma 5. So x1, it will be -2 minus x2, it is 4. y1, you can see after comma y1, which is -1 minus y2, it will be 5. Simple. Just keep the values. -4 minus 2, it will be -6. -1 minus 5, it will be -6. Don't cancel both the 6's. 6 square minus 6 square is 36. Minus 6 square is 36. It will be root of 72 units. We can solve it, but we will solve it later. Okay. So now we are having root of 72 units. We have to apply the formula. Area is 1/2. Product of diagonals. One diagonal is AC and one diagonal is DC. 1/2. The value of AC is root 65. The value of DC is root 72. I hope it is visible, but I am applying thing here. 65 will be 13 into 5. Inside square root. For 72, I can factorize it more, but I am writing 36 into 2, which can be solved easily. So 1/2 is there. 13, 5 and 2, they are not forming any pair, but 36 square root is 6. Inside square root, that 5 into 2, 10, 10 into 13, it will be 130. Let us cancel this 6/2. So I am writing here because I am not having space. So area will be 3 into root of 130. Okay, I hope I have solved it correctly. Just remember one thing, its unit you will write unit square. Now just like area, if length are given in meter, then area will be meter square. Similarly, these distances we have found in units, so area will going to be 3 root of 130 unit square. Okay, so this is your question number 10. Okay, so note down if you want to note it down. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, give me 1 minute. I have got some case-based question for you as well. Okay, so approximate 31 minute is over, so we can take one more problem, which is case-based problem for the chapter. Let us discuss one case-based problem. Actually, some case-based problem is going to be in your exam. Okay, so PUBG problem. Okay, now we are having a problem, PUBG problem. Let us see. So this is last problem today we are going to see. Tomorrow we will see some more case-based problem from the chapter. So today you have to revise coordinate geometry chapter one more time in your home. So let us see this question. Read this question with me. So in case-based question, I have already told, they will try to give you a story and they will give you a figure. Is it easiest? Case-based question are the easiest problem to solve. They will give you 3 questions. In one question they will give you 2 options. It will have 2 marks and rest will have 1 mark. Total 4 mark problem will be there in your August monthly test exam. Use of mobile screen for long hours makes your eyesight weak and give you headache. Children who are addicted to play PUBG can get easily stressed out. To raise social awareness about ill effect of playing PUBG, a school decided to start ban PUBG campaign, in which students are asked to prepare campaign board in shape of rectangle. Just read the problem. One such campaign board made by class 10th student of the school is shown in the figure. Now just look, whatever they have told from use to rectangle, nothing is of use. In the problem, it is not having any use. Simply to give some story, they are giving problems. In case-based question, they are always doing same. Now, so there is a board. Okay, it is a rectangular board. All 4 vertices are given. First problem. Find the coordinate of point of intersection of diagonal AC and BD. Look, they are saying, okay, let me change the color. Okay, let us do with red color. So this is point A. Find the coordinate of point of intersection diagonal AC and BD. So can you see? This is diagonal AC and this is diagonal BD. They are saying I need this point. Now how to find this point? It is quite simple. A rectangle is always a parallelogram and diagonals of parallelogram always bisect each other. So this point O will be midpoint of A and C, or you can see it will be midpoint of B and D. So simply I will treat point A, which is 1, 1 as x1, y1, and I will treat x2, y2 as 7, 5, which is coordinate for point C. Then I will apply the midpoint formula, which is x1 plus x2, y2, comma y1 plus y2, y2. Easy, no? Solve it. Value of x1, you can see it is 1. The value of x2, you can see it is 7. y2, comma value of y1, it is 1. Value of y2, it is 5 by 2. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 by 2 will be 4. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 by 2 will be 3. Easy. Kya kathin hai isme? Nothing. Now they are saying find the length of diagonal AC. Look, this length they want this length. Is it hard to find? Treat this as x1, y1. Treat this as x2, y2 and apply distance formula. We can easily find what is distance between A and C. Now look, find the ratio of length of side AB to the length of diagonal AC. This can be complicated. So I need the ratio of length of side AB and length of diagonal AC, meaning I need AB upon AC. So first I have to find AB, then I have to find AC. Okay, so let me solve this problem. Okay, so first I am going to find AB. So I hope now you can apply the formula directly with me. I am writing it x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Look, AB, I am treating this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2. Let us write the values. X1 is 1, x2 is 7, plus y1 is 1 and y2 is 1. Okay, let us solve. 1 minus 7 is minus 6. 1 minus 1 will be 0. Minus 6 square is 36. 0 square is 0. Root of 36, and I am going to get 6. So 6 units is value for AB. Now I have to find AC. Let us apply the formula here. ओके, जगह कम है तो मैं छोटा छोटा लिखता हूँ. x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Please manage. Okay, so AC is equal to root of, चलो मैं वैल्यू पुट करता हूँ, x1 y1. now AC, I will treat this point C as x2 y2. x1 का वैल्यू 1 minus x2 का वैल्यू 7 प्लस y1 का वैल्यू 1, y2 का वैल्यू 5. सॉल्व कर लो. 1 minus 7 is minus 6. 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Simple. सॉल्व करो. 6 square is 36. 4 square is 16. So it will be 6 plus 6. 12, 2 carries 1. 3 plus 1, 4, 1, 5. 52. Root of 52. Okay. So can we factorize more it? Let us do it. So root of 52. 2 into 26. Correct. So 2 into 2 into 13. I will get 2 root 13 units. Now I have to find, writing here, AB upon AC. Value of AB you can see it is 6. Value of AC you can see it is root of 2 root 13. I will solve it. So I will get 3 by root 13. So the desired ratio of AB and AC will be 3 is to root of 13. I forgot to draw. Okay, it will be root of 13. So now this is my answer. I think it is very easy to solve. Okay, so let us rub all the things. Okay, so last one I am not solving. It is for you. Just hint I am giving. Now we have to find area of campaign board. So area of this board we have to find. Just imagine. First we will find distance between A and B, which we have already found 6. Then we will find distance between B and C, treating this as x1, y1, this as x2, y2. Some distance will come. I will treat this as length and treat this as breadth. The area of rectangle is length into breadth. Simple. Just find breadth and put the value. You will get the answer, which will be the area of this rectangular board. I do think it is quite easy to solve. You will try to solve. If you are not able to solve it, then simply you will message me, and tomorrow I will explain all the doubts. What tomorrow we are going to study will be actually just give me 1 minute. Tomorrow what we are going to study actually will be some doubts from the chapter, and we will see some more case-based questions which are related to the chapter. So some case-based questions we are going to study tomorrow. For today, this much I do think is enough. So today we are going to that much only. Tomorrow we will see rest of the topic. Thank you. All the best. Whatever work you are doing today, just send me your work photo of your answer note what in which you are writing your homework. Just kindly send it to me daily. If you have already completed coordinate geometry, then you can go for revising arithmetic progression, or you can revise triangle chapter, you can solve applications of trigonometry. So we will see all the things, but in your home you have to keep on studying. Okay, all the best. Let us meet you tomorrow.